have had an eventful morning this morning, man. I'm telling you. I opened up my bill and threw my line in just to get in the water real quick. And then my trolling motor grabbed my braid, ripped the tip of my rod off. So there's that. But I'm gonna experiment with the Carolina rig. And they're also busting, so I'm gonna try to get them on that, but I have not been having success with getting those busting fish. And I don't know if they're just little ones being obnoxious or they're big ones. I've thrown the A-rig, the only thing I really got them on is the fluke, but nothing really big. The big stuff I've got off the bottom, big time. So the Carolina rig, let's try for the busting ones. Let's go, let's just try to throw a crank by them, see what they do. I haven't tried this yet. Definitely buzzing it right freaking by them, dude. That was a quickie. Here's the Carolina rig. Well, I'll try that again later. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Got one. A-rig, woo! 171. That's better than I think I got all last week. Okay, up in the sticks, huh? There you go, buddy. Ooh, good one. Good one. Yeah. 185. There you go. Ah, just a little guy. I can't tell if he's big or not. Little guys. Gotta fix that problem. Too shallow, I guess, huh? Jeez, every time, dude. Jeez. That's crazy. It's a good one. Whoa! There we go. He's ready now. Yeah. Woo. 3 and change. 3.5. I always like to guess. 2.99. All right, we got another one. Woo. Yeah, it's got another one. Woo. Yeah. Let's let him go. There you go, buddy. You ready? Up to the depths he goes. Woohoo! Little dude. Well, not too little. Got him. Nice. There we go. The dragon drop. That didn't take long at all. It's a good bait. Googan dragon drop. The little sucker. Stop. You stop that nonsense. I told you. Big. He's being very cooperative though. Did you already get freaking caught? Very lethargic. Oh gosh. Woo! What's up, people? Choked it. Out deeper. This guy's not healthy. Look at that, all spawned out. Oh, okay. He has another hook in his gullet. Let's try to get it out for you, buddy. Got it. All right. That was in him. Rebarb hook, big old one. This guy's only gonna be 2 pounds. He should be 4. Yeah, see, 2, 3. I'm gonna put this guy in the. I'm gonna give him a little medicine, and then we'll send him on his way. So how much is it? ½ ounce. Give him some G juice. Drop shotting. Another good size one. All right. Oh gosh, that's luck. That should have come off. Smaller. don't know, it might upgrade me. Nice day, man, catching fish. Yeah, 110. 11-pound bag. How you doing, man? Ooh. I don't know if it's a big one or a little one. A little. How's this guy doing? Yeah. Hey, buddy. You ready to go? Well, I got the hook out of him. Got him fizzed. He's in a lot better shape. So he should swim off happy. Ready to go? Oh, yeah. You good. Little pieces of crawl in there. Got a bunch of old baits that somebody gave me. I think there's your Chiefs. So let's see here. Try that. Oh, that's a good one. Shit. It's a good size one. Just gotta get that mono in here. Okay. That makes me feel more comfortable. Oh yeah. Shoot. Oh no. What's happening? Oh, it's still there. Oh, here it comes. Oh yeah. Okay, got him. Stay down, sucker. Oh, he's big. Yes. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Look at that. That is a big boy. That's a big boy. Oh yeah. See what he weighs. Okay, here we go. He's heavy. Ah, shoot. 526. Up to the 14-pound bag, baby. I don't know. Let's double check. That just seems like bigger than 5, huh? Yeah, 526. Okay. Woo! Let's put him in here. Oh, you're so big. This is a little chill so I can take a picture. Shoot. That was crazy. It's off the free worms, dude. I like the free worms. Another big one. Oh, God. Knew I was on him. This guy's not that big, but he's still, whoa, better than what I got. Woo! Ha ha! On him! Maybe 2-pounder, maybe. Let's see. Yep, 202, and let's replace that 171. 14.5. All right, buddy. Thanks for playing along. See you next time. All right, let's take a picture of this guy. Another one. Thank you. Jumped right in there. Dude, I'm just freaking cranking them in, boys. I don't know, this one might not outdo anything I already had. Nope. I gotta go at least 185, so bye, buddy. Did I hit? Yeah. Freaking stopped me, man. Just a little guy. Barely hooked. That's fun. Got one on a crank. That's fun. That's cool, man. That thing just freaking stopped, son. Now they're big. Yeah. Woo! Woo! That's my first Carolina rig fish. Check that out, pal. Yeah. What's up? Let's weigh him. 271. We're getting rid of a 185. Just went to a 15.36 bag. Woo! What's that? There you go, buddy. Another good one, dude. Oh, yeah. 365. And let's get rid of that 202. Woo! 17 pounds, baby. Woo! 368.